A gain of $3,950. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 26. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. In this video, we're going to show the trades of the past week and the corresponding results. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 2 open positions, namely 4 long contracts in crude oil and 9 long contracts in cotton. During the week, we closed both positions and we opened a re-entry position in cotton. Let's have a look at the trades one by one. Cotton weekly chart. We look for COT signals on the weekly chart and we derive the signals by, for example, analyzing COT data, seasonal trend, or open interest. For more information about COT data, you can visit our website. Here, if you click on COT data, you will find the current COT data for all markets, and further down on the page, you will find a description on what exactly COT data is, how it works, and which indicators we specifically use for our trading. You furthermore can click on seasonality, for example, where you will find an analysis of seasonality for all liquid futures markets. For example, you can select S&P 500 and then you can press the Show button and then you can see the price trends for 5, 10 and 15 years. Further down on the page, again you can find the description of seasonality. Back to cotton. Weekly chart. You can see that we received a buy signal in the weekly trend direction. However, this signal was against the seasonal trend. Nevertheless, we took the decision to make a trade here. On the daily chart, you can see that the first trade was not very successful. There was a price correction, and we used this price correction to re-enter the market. We closed the position with a gain of $3,825, and then we saw that price only corrected, there was no trend reversal, so we took a re-entry possibility of 10 long contracts. Next market, crude oil. On the weekly chart, we analyze COT data, seasonal trend, etc., and you can see that we received a buy signal. On the daily chart, you can see our entry possibility was a correction again. We were triggered according to our plan, and we put the stop loss very close because price moved sideways for some days. We made a gain of $2,720 and we planned to re-enter the market. However, we wanted to wait for the OPEC meeting to take place. As you can see, at the moment, the trend continues to the upside. This market stays interesting to us, and thus we will look out for a re-entry possibility next week. Next, let's have a look at our second COT strategy, the so-called champion strategy. We started into the week with an empty portfolio, and during the week we opened new positions. On our website, you can find the results of the past trades of this strategy in this table here. You can also get to know how we decide for these trades by taking part in our coaching program. If you want to know more about our champion strategy and the coaching, you can register for a free conversation on our website. As you can see, in this week, our wheat trade led to a weekly loss of approximately $2,500. In Nasdaq E-mini, we were triggered on Friday. We used one of our patterns to get into the market, and which patterns we use is also part of our coaching program. In the end, let's have a look at CRB Index as usual. As you can see, trend continues to the upside. But at the same time, the seasonal trend reached its peak. We will have a look on whether price follows seasonal weakness or whether price continues to the upside. Here you can see our watch list, which is also accessible and updated in our trading group. As you can see, we have many markets on the buy side, but only one market on the sell side. This is in line with what we've seen from CRB Index. At the moment, markets tend to be quiet because it's a summer period. There's less movements in the markets, and thus we are patient and less active, and focus on markets with the best risk-reward ratios. Our experience shows that good market conditions will come back in fall. For now, we will get prepared for this period. We will analyze our results, we will gain experience, and in the end, get prepared for the profit-intensive time to come. That's it from our side this week. We wish you all many successful trades for the next week. Thank you for your attention and see you again for our regular trading results video next Sunday. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.